Hello viewers, today let's make the recipe which can treat more than 10 diseases. Get 1 tablespoon of baking soda and put it in the container. Then add 1 tablespoon of castor oil and mix well. Castor oil and baking soda mixture can improve moisture and reduce oxidative. It promotes scalp and hair growth. It can also relieve minor irritation. This recipe can loosen stools and ease constipation. Massage this oil on the abdomen for constipation and other problems. This combination of castor oil and baking soda can treat athlete's joints. It can help to treat sore muscles and inflammation of your nerves. Massage this oil gently on your body for about 15 minutes. It can also relieve menstrual cramps. Castor oil and baking soda helps to heal wounds. Apply this oil on wounds daily. You'll see the difference. This mixture of castor oil and baking soda increases the blood circulation. Guys, thanks for your support. Keep it up. This recipe reduces swelling and inflammation. It reduces wrinkles and fine lines, which means it is used as an anti-aging product. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe for more videos. The mixture of castor oil and baking soda can improve immunity function. It can also treat acne. Dear viewer, thanks for watching this video. Castor oil is used as deep cleanser and skin moisturizer. Use it daily in order to get relief. It promotes hair growth. Even it can be used as hair food. This oil prevents scalp infections. Apply it on your scalp daily, you will see the difference. It can help ease pain from cancer and also hurting from sunburn. You can also use this oil for all skin diseases. Castor oil and baking soda can also relieve pain, itching, and redness. Use this oil daily, you will see the difference. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. God bless you.